G'day! Today down the shed, changing out a tail light on a Ford Focus sedan. To access the tail light, you will need to remove this trim panel that has two retaining clips. Just one here and one down the bottom. To get that trim cover off, remove these retaining plugs, which is just turn them to 90 degrees, pull out. Now the trim should pop off. Now you have access to the tail light. Now you'll need to disconnect the lights by either undoing the plug or pushing just in on these little black tabs, and they'll pull all the lights out. Clip there, clip there. Now to remove the tail light, there's three nuts you'll need to undo, and they're just 10mm. Undo all those. Once you have all those retaining nuts off, just slowly pry the tail light back. There you have it. It's out. Before reinstalling the light, give the area a clean. Now for installing the tail light, just lining up all your studs and the dowels and pushing it into place. Reinstall your nuts. So after tightening up all the nuts, just firmly, it's a good time to replace any globes if need. Clip that back into place. Then test it out. Once you're happy your tail lights are all working, reinstall that plastic cover. There's a few clips that clip it back into place. Then put those plugs back in. And your job's done. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you some heads up of how to change out your tail light. If there's any other tips we can give others, throw it in the comments. Take it easy.